We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you gotta do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we only pay the drivers $2. So what? And they better drop that order off and take a picture, or we might give them a violation. Boy, DoorDash played me last night with that no-tip customer. I ended my dash, man. That pissed me off so much. I said I can't take no more. It was already late. Let's see what they got for me today, man. We over here in Collinsville now. We finna do some earn by time once again. We got 40 minutes on the schedule this time. They let you get in 15 minutes early. We scheduled for 9:30 to 10:30. Now, as soon as this thing go over to 9:15, it should change over from schedule to dash now. But I don't know if it's gonna say earn by time. If it do, I'm gonna click it. But if it don't, maybe it won't be the worst thing in the world. See, earn by time mode is currently not available. So we're gonna do earn by offer. Let's see what we get. We posted up right here by Panera Bread. That's a breakfast spot. They got Starbucks down that way. Hopefully we get something sooner than later, because I ain't trying to be waiting all day. We only made $4 last night. $4 for 4 miles, man. That's absolutely crazy. First up, $13.25 for 7 miles, 4 items. I don't like the mileage, but I need to go over that way anyways. We heading to Dollar General. Get us 4 items. See, shopping pay coming through. First order of the day, it happened to be a shopping order. So while we got the shopping order going, let's go ahead and talk about it for a second. I was opposed to doing the shopping on DoorDash because, you know, I didn't want to worry about keeping track of that red card. I really didn't. But I found out recently that you now can have a virtual red card hooked up inside your DoorDash app. And that makes it a whole lot easier. So now that I have my NFC turned on my device, I have linked the virtual red card. Now it makes it much easier to do these deliveries and not worry if I have the card, if I need to order a new one. Did I leave it in my wallet, in the pants? Is it in the car? I don't gotta worry about none of that. I can just head on over, do my shopping, and know that as long as I got the phone that I'm accepted the order with, I can pay for those items. And that's a nice little peace of mind when it comes to these shopping orders. Now, in my opinion, if you're doing shops, try to keep the item count low and the mileage low. I wouldn't consider this a low mileage order, but it is 9:30 in the morning and it is only 4 items. So, you know, you definitely got to pick and choose. If this would have been 8 miles, even though I got to drive that direction, I might have not taken it. My GPS say I'm going 3 miles to this Dollar General. So let's take 3 miles off of that mileage for delivery, and that's gonna leave us with about 4 miles. So $13 for 4 miles, 4 items, that I can do. And my strategy is gonna be, as soon as I get done with this order, go right back to Dollar General. Because if they calling me over there, that means they probably got a higher frequency of shopping orders at this Dollar General. This is our delivery destination right here. Sure is. 4 items, shop and deliver. This is easy money. I wonder how high the base pay is on the shopping orders coming out of Dollar General. We're gonna see right now. Let's go ahead and complete that order. $13.25 is what we got. $9.75 base pay coming out of Dollar General. Wow. I definitely will be going back. Man, I ain't even gonna lie, you guys. $9 base pay is absolutely crazy. It can't be because that order was declined that many times. It gotta be some extra situation going on with the Dollar General merch, because those 4 items, I mean, the total on that order was $20 and we got a $9 base pay. So I think they might have some type of agreement with that partnership with Dollar General. So I will be doing more shopping orders for sure. If they send them to me, I will do them. But while we on the subject of shopping orders, I want to give a shout out to Brooke. Brooke sent me these screenshots and we got ratings on the shopping screen, guys. I didn't even know it. So if you have a look right here, you can see it gives you your item count, your accuracy count, your substitution accuracy. What else it got on there? Lifetime shopping orders, items that were wrong or missing. It gives you all that information right there. Shout out to Brooke for sending me these screenshots. Now, I would imagine as a shopper on DoorDash, with these ratings, probably prioritize or not. So looking at Brooke's ratings right here, she got 90% on the original item found, total items found 98%, 0 substitutions, 0 quality issues, 0 things that were wrong or missing. These are some stand-up stats right here, and they even give you a little bit of extra information as far as what they mean by original items found, and if you able to get the item that they're looking for, to get that good percentage. You see it's in the green, letting you know that you're good to go. Now, if you prioritize for shopping orders, make sure you keep an eye on your rating screen so that you can know where you fall at on the ratings for the shopping and not the delivering, just the shopping part. Because I'm pretty sure they prioritize folks who keep those items found, keep that high. Total items, keep that high. Substitutions and quality items, as long as you keep that percentage low, I'm pretty sure that's good. So looking at my shopping ratings, I can see that I got a little bit of work to do because, you know, I do most of my shopping on Spark. So the shopping I do on DoorDash ain't looking too good. I'm at a 68 for items found. Items that were wrong or missing, I got a 1.7, and I got a 1.14 for substitutions. So I'm gonna do some work on improving that and getting that better. But right now we sitting at this chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. So I'm finna try to get me a little order. Next up, we got $5.52 for 9 miles. What's going on up at DoorDash headquarters? They must be out of their mind. They must be out of their mind. Next up, we got $7.75 for 10.8 miles. DoorDash, boy, I just don't understand them 10-mile deliveries, man. That's what be getting. Like, how is you supposed to have what if you only got 30 minutes on the schedule? What if you only got 45 minutes to an hour to get a couple deliveries done and you get sent 10-mile orders? Who is taking these? Let me know in the comments below if you think this is a good order right here. Let me know. Look at that line. Look how long that line is. You think that's paying $10? Well, if you do, you guessed absolutely wrong. Look, we got $6.25, 7.8 miles at Hawaiian Bros. And guess what? It's gonna stay right there. Stop playing with me. I'm not going no 7 miles for $6. Who I look like? All right, y'all. The time is 6 o'clock. Sarah's order is ready for pickup. First order DoorDash sent me this evening, $6.98, 9.6 miles. You already know what we did with that. We threw it right back. What? Stop playing with me. $4, 6.8 miles. Hawaiian Bros. Oh my goodness. They is really out here back. Really manilly. I tried Earn by Time. They didn't send me no offers, y'all. No offer. Next up, they sent me $6.25, 6.3 miles. Okay, we getting a little bit better. Oh, Grubhub got an order. Hold on. $13 for 12.6 miles. No, I'm good. But I'm like, okay, we getting closer to 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Not what I'm looking for, but it's looking a little bit better. Then they sent me, y'all gonna hate me for this. They sent me $7.50, 3.6 miles, and I declined it. I know a lot of y'all probably like that. Why would you decline? That's 2-to-1 mile. Why would you decline? It's a good order. This is why I declined it. $7, 2.4 miles. Let's get it. That's a mile less that I gotta drive. I gambled. I took a gamble and it paid off. We heading to go pick up this order right now. So what's that? I declined 1, 2, 3, 4 offers, accepted the 5th one. I usually hover at about 20%, so that is right on track with how it usually be when I'm out here dashing. All right, guys, we got that order dropped off. $7 is what it showed. $7 is what we got. $7 is what it paid. Next up, they sent me this right here, $7.25 for 4 miles even, right back at Taco Bell. And I know y'all gonna be mad at me for this one. I declined it. Cause check this out. Look what they sent me next. $2 for 5 miles, no tip, no trip, and it's taking me outside of my zone. We declined that one as well. Then they sent me $8.25 for 5.3 miles. Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm confused why it says may need returns. Very confusing on that one. But nevertheless, that's not a bad order. $8.25 for 5.3. If I had another order with another app, that's a good candidate for a multi-app. But single by itself, standing alone, I'm good. I ain't made that much money yet this evening. Nah, I ain't trying to do nothing like that just yet. Decline that one. Then the next one they sent me was even worse. Kinda a little better, but kind of worse at the same time. $9, 4 miles, 2 pickups, 2 drop-offs. So it's paying more, going less miles, but you kind of got to do more, so it's gonna take longer. Nah, I don't go to 2 spots and deliver to 2 customers for less than like $12. That's just not something I do. So we went on to decline that as well. That was a little stack. Then we got $9 for 8.5 miles right after that. I got some long distance customers in my zone, guys. Let me know what's the furthest distance you travel when you out trying to make your money and not trying to do no charity work. Because for me, it's like 4 miles, 5 at the most, when I'm feeling a little risky. But I ain't feeling it right now, so we declined that one. Then they gave us $5.50 for 2 miles at McDonald's. That one honestly wasn't even that bad. But I'm like, hell, I didn't decline all these orders. I might as well keep on declining until I get that banger. And it ain't always gonna be like that, but sometimes it do. They sent me this one right here, $14.50 for 5.7 miles. And I know y'all gonna be mad. I declined that mug. That's almost 3-to-1 miles money ratio, 2 pickups, 2 drop-offs. But hear me out. My zone is so busy that it's sending me these orders back to back to back. My acceptance rate is at a 17%, and I'm still getting back to back to back offers. I said, oh no. I'm about to cherry pick. I'm about to sit and I'm about to fish and wait for that sweet order. So they sent me $18 for 12.3 miles. Now the price is going up. We going in the right direction. But that mileage is way too high. If you know me, you know I ain't taking no 12-mile delivery unless it's paying like 36 bucks. And this one paying 18. So yeah, that's a no-go for me. But you know what? $8.75 for 12 miles, that sound a whole lot worse. That got me wishing I should have took that $18 order. But sometimes you gotta hold steady. Stick to your gun sometimes. We declined $8.75. We got $5 for 3.8 miles. So look how many orders that is right there. That's like over 12 orders right there that I declined, all within like a minute and a half. So I was like, I know it's something good out there. I'm gonna let everybody else stay busy with these orders I just declined, and they're gonna send me a good one. We got $18.36, 6.1 miles. That's the highest paying order they sent me out of all of those orders. The mileage is still right on my parameters, 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. I said, oh yeah, that's the one right now. Taco Bell is right here. Arby's is right behind me. And I've been sitting here yapping this whole time. The order probably ready now. So that worked out perfectly. And then the best part about it is we got an add-on. Grubhub sent me a Chick-fil-A order, $10.55 for 6 miles. Not something I would take by itself, but I'm finna stack it with this $18 order. So that's gonna guarantee me $28 for however long these 3 orders take me. So I'm finna step up in here and grab this first one, and then we're gonna walk behind, get the Arby's order, then shoot across the street and get the Taco Bell order. All right, guys, we got the Taco Bell and the Arby's. Now we just gotta shoot on over to Chick-fil-A. As soon as these slow ass cars get out my way, we can go grab order number 3. Everything's heading in the same direction, guys, so we're good to go right there. You definitely want to do your best to make sure when you multi-apping that you keep it as clean as possible. Try to keep all orders going in the same direction if you can. But sometimes you're not gonna be able to. I'm gonna keep it 100. Listen, you just gotta do your best. But I got lucky on this one. The first 2 was ready, the DoorDash orders, and now we picking up the Chick-fil-A, and they all happen to be going in the same direction. Not always gonna be like that, but when it is, hey, you gotta take advantage. Everything coming together nicely. All the traffic lights was green. Grubhub just sent me a notification that the Chick-fil-A order is ready for pickup. We have arrived, we checked in. I'm about to run inside there quick, grab that, and we heading to drop them off. I'm gonna drop them off in the order that makes the most sense. So I got 2 devices. I'm gonna hit GPS on both of them, and whichever customer is the closest, they are the ones that's gonna get their food first. And I got the luxury of doing that because all of them are going in the exact same direction. Shout out to Chick-fil-A, boy. They always be on point. No matter if it's slow, busy, holiday, payday, your day, my day. Chick-fil-A be pumping them orders out, boy. They do not play about that chicken at all. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start navigation on all 3 orders, and we finna get this money. Guys, I just dropped off the Arby's. Tell me why the Taco Bell going right around the corner. We pulling up right now to the customer. I'm finna go ahead and take the liberty to pause DoorDash, even though my dash about to end anyways, because I still gotta drop off this Grubhub order too. But we making good time. We making good time. And there's still a possibility for this order to go up too. Let me see. They at the house all the way on the end. It's always somebody walking past when you want to get up in the driveway. I mean, it's always somebody just right there. Boom, we made it. Let's get this dropped off and check this total. Alright guys, we got it dropped off, confirmed. 36 stays 1836. I ain't even mad at it, because you know what? We still got one more order to drop off. I hope y'all ready for this, because we got a lot of orders to go over. I just declined a bunch of orders. That last order paid us $18.36. You see it right there. First order they sent me after that, $4.82 for 3.5 miles. My decline game is super strong. That order says tropical smoothie and it may need returns. How in the world are you gonna return a smoothie? Next up, we got $5 for 4.2 miles. These orders are really, really bad. Who told these customers that they can live 4 miles away and tip $2? They not my customer. Next up, we got $14.25, one item at Best Buy. And that sounds good, but it's going 11.8 miles away. So yeah, we had to go ahead and decline that one as well. Next up, $11 for 10.5 miles. That's trash. Then we got $8.80 for 5.2 miles, but I'm banned from Applebee's. That ain't a trash order, but they can definitely do better. They can do better. And if it's busy like this, I need better. Next up, we got $5.25 for 4.6. That's a no. Then we got $10 for 10.3. Upside down. That's a no. Then we got $5.25 for 4.9. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I did sit for about 20 minutes declining all these orders. And I know some people might say, well, hey, you could have took one of these orders in that 20 minutes and been done with it. And I say, you know what? If you want to take $6.75 for 5.8 miles, you be my guest. Because that's what they sent me. And I'm not taking that. No. Then they want to talk about $4.11 for 3.4 miles. No. No. It's not happening. Then they sent me $10, 2.8 miles at, what's that, PetSmart? I said, okay, how many items? They say, look, FDA is one item. You can use your red card. Do you want it? I said, you know what? Now that's an order. That's my kind of order right there. These people live 3 miles away. I'm probably getting a high base pay. I don't even know how much they tip, but guess what? Everything is lining up on this order. The miles, the pay, the item, the merchant. So I don't have no problem declining 12, 13, 15 orders until I get that one order I need. I don't have no problem. Because what you got to realize is if that's what it takes to make the money, then you got to be willing to do that. And I'm more than willing. You know, I've been doing this for a little minute. I know how DoorDash do. They'll play you. They'll send you trash offers. Hide the good ones. No, don't hide that good offer. Send me that. We finna step up in here and grab one thing of Tidy Cats. It's a little heavy, but you know what? It's gonna be all right. I think we might have found it. Where is the barcode on this? On the back, let's see if it scans. Does it scan? Yep, it does. We found it. We good to go. Proceed to checkout. Good thing we got that virtual red card. So we good. Ooh, this thing heavy. Maybe I should have got a card. I don't know, we might be all right. Good thing is it ain't nobody else in here. Nobody. I lied, there's 4 people in here. They came out of nowhere. They was not here before. All right, so we're gonna pay for this one with the virtual red card. Tap to pay.
Tap it right here.
See if it works.
Well, it should when I do that.
Oh, it wants me to use my finger. There we go, just like that. Got out the DoorDash red card. I ain't even gonna lie, guys. This cat litter is heavy. Get up in there. There we go. But you know what? Easy $10. Made it to the drop off. Man, I'm telling you, them shopping pays have a higher base pay. We got a $4.50 base pay, $5 tip. So look, if you a DoorDash driver and you trying to increase your earnings, go ahead and turn on that red card. Use the virtual red card so that you don't have to worry about, you know, keeping track of it. If it's in your wallet, none of that. Because it's definitely worth it to get a chance at getting that increased base pay. It definitely is. Look, that's it for me tonight, guys. I made $45 tonight in about an hour and a half, and I'm cool with that. So look, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you.